name's Mark Wheeler and I'm a plant operator for A.G. Wilson. A.G. Wilson are a civil engineering and fusion welding company. They're based in Blairey, County Down. Most of our work would be installing pipelines for Scottish Water. Today we're in Peterhead in Aberdeenshire and the project is a 26-kilometre pipeline for Scottish Water. Our site consists of one main compound and one satellite compound about 3 miles apart. Machines on site would consist of the SANY SY215C. We'll have a couple of 20-ton SANYs and a wheeled excavator. Primarily the SANY wheeled excavator is used in and around the yard, the compound, for offloading materials. A.G. Wilson has purchased 17 SANY machines, ranging from a 2.5-ton machine up to the 39-ton machine. Well, so far the SANY machines seem to be decent enough to operate, but the backup that we've had from Slater Plant and SANY Scotland has been excellent. Me personally, I like operating the SANY machines and I'm looking forward to spending a lot more time in the machine.